Second quarter earnings continue to come out this week. We're going to check them out on Mining Minutes Wrap-Up. Before getting into it, we're going to check out this week's movers and shakers. We're going to start with Aquarius Platinum, who reported a consolidated loss of $154 million for the year ended June, brought on by a foreign exchange loss of $97 million that arose from revaluation of intercompany loans within the group. Aquarius said its South African operations were subjected to underperformance by mining contractors, temporary operational issues encountered as a result of the implementation of a revised underground hanging wall safety support regime, as well as a significant increase in the number of Section 54 safety stoppages, which pushed up production costs 22%. CEO Stuart Murray believes the company will be able to build its production profile once the platinum market recovers. Moving on to Hecla Mining, Hecla reported lower second quarter earnings, mainly due to the suspension of mining at its Lucky Friday mine and lower grades at its Greens Creek mine in Alaska. No production is expected from this year from Lucky Friday, but the company maintains that rehabilitation work is ahead of schedule. The company also pulled its all-cash offer for US Silver Corp as US Silver Corp entered into a different merger agreement with RX Gold and Silver Inc. Hecla's president and CEO Philip S. Baker Jr. went on to say that the company still believes they're on track to increase silver production by 50% over the next 50 years. Next up is Coeur dAlene. Coeur dAlene profits dropped 40% compared to the previous quarter due to declining silver prices, but still managed to beat Wall Street expectations. Silver production was flat compared to the last quarter at 4.9 million ounces of silver, while gold production increased 44% to 63,047 ounces. The company's Kensington gold mine returned to production and nearly tripled its production and cut its operating costs per ounce in half during the second quarter. Silver and gold guidance for 2012 are expected to be met on the high end of 18.5 million to 20 million ounces of silver and 210,000 to 230,000 ounces of gold. Next up is Anglogold Ashanti. Anglogold's second quarter gold production totaled 1,073,000 ounces, which was higher than the company's initial guidance of 1,040,000 ounces of gold. The company did see a drop in headline earnings to $253 million compared to $342 million during the same period last year. The drop comes from Anglogold focusing more on exploration, which ate away at some of the earnings as well as a higher tax charge, given that the benefit of hedge and other losses had been utilized, the company said. Anglogold also reported that 5 employees died during the second quarter at 4 of the company's different operations. Anglogold is the world's 3rd largest gold producer and has operations scattered across the globe. We're going to finish with Osisko Mining, which achieved record production in the month of July at 37,780,000 ounces at its Canadian Mellark mill in central Quebec. With the now completed pre-crushing circuit and the coming installation of the second pebble crusher in early fourth quarter, we will be focused on plant optimization and cost reduction, said President and CEO Sean Roosen. Osisko has produced over 400,000 ounces of gold at the Canadian Mellark mill during the current ramp-up phase. And that does it for this week's Mining Minutes Wrap-Up. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to newsfeedback@kitco.com. I'm Alex Letourneau. Thanks for watching.